Nancy Pelosi's stock trades are so successful that apps are copying her moves. But is her success pure luck or something more? Welcome back to our series exposing how political power turns into personal profit. Today, we dive deeper into the data, how Nancy Pelosi and other lawmakers are making record-breaking returns on the stock market, and why platforms like Quiver Quant have turned their trades into must-follow strategies. Let's start with the numbers. The Nancy Pelosi strategy on Quiver Quant shows an astronomical return of 778.78% all-time. That's nearly 8 times your investment, outpacing the S&P 500 and even most hedge funds. But the Pelosis aren't alone in benefiting from this setup. Apps like Autopilot market their strategies as Trade Like Pelosi, showing just how predictable and profitable congressional trading has become. This isn't just a coincidence. It's the result of a system designed to benefit those with insider knowledge. The Pelosis aren't alone. Let's look at some other top performers in Congress. Dan Musser, a Republican congressman, has a trading strategy on Quiver Quant with a 551% total return. His compound annual growth rate of 41% is higher than most Wall Street investors could dream of. Let's not forget Senator Richard Burr, who sold $1.6 million in stocks after a confidential COVID-19 briefing in early 2020. Or Senator Kelly Loeffler, who dumped millions in stocks before the pandemic hit, while buying shares in telework companies poised to profit. Altogether, members of Congress made over $355 million in stock trades in 2022. These include trades in industries they directly regulate, like big tech, healthcare, and defense. And thanks to lax laws, it's all perfectly legal. Here's the double standard. If an average citizen traded stocks with this level of insider knowledge, they'd face federal charges. But for members of Congress, the Stock Act only requires them to disclose trades within 45 days. No penalties, no enforcement, just business as usual. In 2021, Pelosi's family bought $10 million worth of Microsoft stock just before the company secured a massive government contract. Whether it's tech, green energy, or defense, the pattern is clear. Congressional trades often align with insider knowledge. If this outrages you, like this video and follow our page. In Part 3, we'll dive into how these trades directly impact you, and how platforms like Autopilot are capitalizing on a broken system. Stay tuned.